And now, preview for next week's events. So, on Monday, we're back to politics, as on Sunday night in the United States, at 1 a.m., just as markets open, we have the second presidential debate between Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump. Let's see if Trump makes a comeback, perhaps. The media wants these comeback stories, wants to see one side gaining and the other losing, and after they get tired of such headlines, they want the other direction. I believe that Trump prepared. He had a very bad week also after the debate. Remember, yen is influenced by this currency. So if we have by the politics, so if we have Trump victory, I would expect dollar yen to fall, going to the safe haven asset of the yen. And if Clinton beats Trump once again, I expect dollar yen to rise. Also, watch out for the Mexican peso, the currency I don't talk about, but we've seen a reaction. Victory for Clinton is good for the peso, and means a wall back of the currency south of the border. Okay, so that's Monday. Not too many events, but we'll have echoes from the NFP hangover as well. We have the German zoo indicator, and oops, sorry, that's wrong here. The Fed meeting minutes are planned for Wednesday. We'll learn too much because these are minutes from a meeting that was followed by forecasts and the press conference. The more meaningful minutes will come after the November decision. Anyway, but it's still eyed. It's Wednesday at 6 GMT. On Thursday, we have a UK rate decision. Again, some kind of a transitory decision. The more meaningful decision will come in November, when we'll have also the quarterly inflation report by the Bank of England. So we're looking to hear from them is that they're still determined to cut rates despite the improvement in data. So far, Carney has been quite dovish, and most of his members as well. So let's see if this persists. Let's see if everybody votes to keep rates unchanged and what they say in the minutes. Remember, the minutes at the same time as the decision. And on Friday, focus on the US consumer. The US economy is all about buying, consuming. So we have retail sales for the month of September. Consumers actually did last month. And afterwards, we have the initial US consumer sentiment from the University of Michigan and Reuters. That is the last word for the week, always moves markets. So that should be interesting as well. It also has political implications. Remember, consumer sentiment is also influenced by how you feel things are going. So that is also meaningful. But remember, presidential debate is more important than consumer sentiment. So that was our preview for the week of October